Hi, Jay.
Hello, Lucy.
This time we're looking at how to talk about past habits and states.
What's inside this folder?
Well, I did some research and I found some great photos of us. Look at this.
Oh my God, you used to have short hair.
I know. And look at you.
I used to have a massive head.
Great job using used to, Jay.
What do you mean?
Let me show you. You can use used to or didn't used to plus a verb to talk about past habits and states.
Okay, so I know what a habit is. That's something you do many, many times, but what about a state?
Well, a state is something that stays the same for a long time. And we have state verbs in English like be, have, know, love.
Believe? Own?
Exactly.
Okay, so your hair used to be short means that it was short in the past, right?
Right, but not now.
Okay, and do I need to change the verb? It's in the past, so can I say you used to had?
No, just keep it the same. You used to have.
Okay, great. So what did we learn today?
We learned how to talk about past habits and states using used to.
Okay, one more photo.
Okay, here you go.
Oh my God, I used to be so cute.
That's not the adjective I would use.
Hello there! Hey, if you enjoyed that, you'll enjoy lots more at e2school.com. Check out the website, and also if you haven't yet done it, hit the subscribe button.